Hello guys, welcome to the channel Time to Build. In today's video, we're following an interesting off-grid construction project. It's a really cool project, built by just one person, right in the middle of the forest. The most interesting part is that this was an ultra-low-cost build. Approximately $4,500 was spent on the entire project. Stick around until the end and I'll reveal how that was possible. The builder's idea was to create a family retreat with a beautiful view of nature, a space to relax and work on art projects. If you love watching these incredible builds too, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Every new subscriber means a lot to me. The first step of the project was removing this large branch that posed a significant risk over the construction area. Safety is essential, and it's something that's often overlooked in outdoor projects. To level the site where the cabin would be built, a rototiller was used. This step is important for creating a stable and secure base, ensuring the structure's durability for years to come. It's heavy work, but fundamental. In this build, a different layout method was used. He built the structure in a box shape. Next, he starts digging the holes for the posts. Each hole is dug in the exact position following the project's measurements. Precision at this stage is crucial, as any mistake could compromise the alignment of the entire structure. After positioning them, the tops of the posts are cut to the same level. This ensures the whole base is perfectly level, creating a solid foundation for the rest of the build. The floor structure starts coming together. The joists are installed, creating a sturdy system that will support the cabin's full weight. Each piece is fastened precisely to ensure stability. A protective membrane is installed over the floor structure. This barrier is essential for thermal insulation and to reduce moisture rising from the ground, protecting the wood and increasing interior comfort in the cabin. The wooden floor is installed to fully close off the base. The wooden panels are fitted and secured over the membrane, creating a solid and uniform surface. This is the platform everything else will be built on. Now the walls start going up. The wall framing is done with rough-sawn lumber, a more raw and heavy material. The first wall required extra help to lift due to the weight. The second, being shorter, could be installed solo, but it still needs to be done with great care because of the wood's weight. Every step should follow safe practices. These walls form the main structure that will provide protection and thermal insulation for the cabin. With the walls in place, the next step is the roof. At this stage, 2 points were crucial: choosing something simple and easy to install. The choice was a single slope roof, which is simpler and quicker to assemble. This is an especially good solution for smaller structures. The roof is the main protection against rain and snow, plus its angle and finish define the cabin's exterior look. The cabin starts taking shape. Several boards are installed to ensure the roof structure is secure. Working in the snow and in the dark to finish the installation shows incredible dedication. It's proof that when you have a clear goal, even bad weather can't stop progress. Here, he's preparing the space for the wood stove chimney, which will be the cabin's heating system. Proper chimney installation is vital for safety, ensuring smoke exits efficiently and preventing any fire risk. He's using metal roofing sheets to close off the roof. This type of roofing is lightweight, easy to install, and low maintenance. He screws down all the sheets to ensure they're properly secured. On the outside, the cabin starts getting its siding for protection. Instead of installing full sheets and cutting openings later, all the sheets were strategically cut before installation. Doing it this way saved 3 full sheets. Saving material equals saving money. That was a great idea. He installed a membrane and then finished with the exterior boards. Even with bad weather, the work continues. Off-grid projects require a ton of determination. The chimney starts going in. It's fascinating to see the visual transformation at this stage. Installing 4 electrical outlets meets the basic needs. The system will run off a portable power station instead of a dedicated solar kit, offering flexibility and lower upfront cost. Installing tongue-and-groove pine ceiling transforms the build's aesthetics. He mentions this ceiling material was bought at a good discount. The exterior finishing phase begins. This includes painting the walls and installing the windows. The roof ceiling is installed inside the cabin. The pine boards cover the entire interior surface, creating a clean and cozy finish. This lining also helps with thermal insulation. Wood trim strips are installed to cover gaps and create frames around the windows. These finishing details give a professional touch to the build and ensure better sealing against wind and moisture. Time to install the door. It's carefully positioned in the opening and secured with sturdy hinges. The fit has to be perfect for smooth opening and closing. And here's the final result. The project is getting closer to completion. And as promised, here are some cost-saving tips that were used to keep this build so affordable. The savings came from several factors: choosing lower-cost materials, strategic decisions, construction techniques and planning, doing the labor himself, and creative solutions. All the windows and the wood-burning fireplace were bought second-hand. The door was a donation. Choosing rough-sawn lumber from an Amish supplier, which is cheaper than finished wood. Recycling used lumber on the project for finishing. Opting for a simple and quick roof. The header beams ordered pre-cut, which saved time and material. The goal was achieved, a peaceful space with an incredible view, built with skill and a lot of ingenuity. This cabin turned out really beautiful and cozy. The care and attention to detail to make it so inviting are obvious. It was a ton of work. If you enjoyed following this build, leave a like and subscribe to see more projects like this one. Thanks for watching.